My QQQY payment was wonderful, so was my IWMY payment. Let's look at some charts of some things I'm looking at. This is Mike, the tactical stock scalper. All right. So first off, we're going to start off with the Qs. And what we may have here currently, we'll have to see how this develops, but I want to show you this. Let me pull this up here. We may be having, where are you? Right there. A lower high forming on the Qs, which would mean we would be looking for, what? A lower low. So if this was the last low here, looking for something in here-ish, right? A lower low. So that's what we're looking at, or at least what I'm looking at on the Qs is we have a higher low forming. We'll see if this holds true to form, and then we'll look for a dip down there below the 380s. As we see, we did have support the last 2 days off the 20-period moving average, which is in white. So it would have to cross that, of course, to get back down to form a lower low, and maybe we'll finally start getting that pullback. But as for now, guys, we're just consolidating. Let's look at a SPY for Jeppy people. Let's pull this up. So what we have here with SPY and S&P is just a long line of consolidation where dynamic move will occur. Will that be up or down? We don't know. Let's look at some other examples. Like here was an area of consolidation and we had a dynamic move down, right? Here was a smaller area of consolidation and we had a dynamic move up. So as we see here, we're just hanging around, waiting on the market to tell us what it's going to do. I still favor a move down on my thesis, but that doesn't mean it's going to happen. This could just be a correction through time, and this is the pullback. That is completely possible and not out of the realm of possibility. So something to consider when you're buying your JEPY position. This could be the pullback. It's absolutely possible. Let's go look at IWM today. See what she's up to. What's this old, wonderful lady doing here? IWM possibly forming a bull flag. We have so many different kinds of signals going on in the market. So honestly, we have no idea what on earth is happening. So what we have here is a bull flag trying to form, right? We have the long rise up after, look at this again, a long period of consolidation. We had a dynamic move. And now you see we have the flagpole with that big move up. Now it's trying to form a possible bull flag, which would mean this would go up higher to the 190 or 195 or heck, even the 200 level. So something to keep an eye on. All this, of course, could be moved and it could fail and come back down. But looks like we got a bull flag forming on IWM. So if you're wanting to buy IWMY, might not be a horrible time to do so. It may not get the pullback. It could rip up. So many mixed signals on the markets. It's really hard to predict which way it's going to go. Just have a plan for either way. Let's look at Tesla. What is she doing today? Let's take a look at her. Tesla's doing what Tesla has been doing for the last 2-3 weeks, whatever, through this period. Cannot break 250, cannot break 230. Just chilling out in this area. And until it breaks 230, it's not like really bearish. And until it breaks above 250, it's not really bullish in the short term. But if we look out, pull out to a little macro level here on Tesla, we still have a series of what? Lower highs and lower lows. So if this is to hold true, right, we have the lower high here, right above 250. If it is going to break down and get a lower low, it would go well below 200 possibly, because this low was lower than this low. So this low would have to be lower than that low if the pattern is to continue. So until it breaks out of this pattern here, on a macro level, Tesla is still very bearish, but as we see, long period of consolidation here, dynamic moves do happen from these periods. Hope you enjoyed the content. This is Mike, Tactical Stock Scalper, out.